Even as two more arrests have been made today in the Haveri moral policing incident, politics has emerged over the incident. The opposition BJP in Karnataka has alleged that attempts have been made to hush up the moral policing shocker of Haveri by offering money to the victim by the ruling Congress government. Former Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai charged the government of taking the victim to Sirsi after local police received input about the visit of BJP's women delegation to Haveri. The State Minority Commission has also urged Karnataka government to bring the victim back to Haveri for rehabilitation and provide her with round-the-clock security at the hospital. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is set to visit Haveri today to meet the victim. Jan 8 incident in which the police have charged the accused with gang rape pertains to a group of men barging into a hotel room in Karnataka's Haveri district and thrashing a couple for being together despite their different faiths.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಮುಚ್ಚಾಕೋ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ವಿಫಲವಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಸಂಸದರಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆಮಿಷ ಒತ್ತಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹಿಂತವು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಬಹಿರಂಗ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು SIT ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಅದು ಮುಚ್ಚಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಹಾವೇರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾನು ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅವರು SIT ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ.
ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೀವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಒಂದು ವಾರ 10 ಡೇಸು ಆಕೆಗೆ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಡಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಆಕೆ ಆ ಶಾಕಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಖರ್ಚು ಏನಿದೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಪೂರೈಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ವಾಪಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಹೆಂಗ್ಸ್ಗೂ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೋಡಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು, ನೀನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೌಂಡ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಹಾಕಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
All right, we have Toya joining us on this story. Toya, politics over moral policing incident. BJP now targeting Congress government in Karnataka over the incident, says government is trying to bribe the victim and therefore trying to hush up the incident. So big charge there by the opposition.
Well, in fact, the BJP has already started its campaign over no guarantee safety for women in the state of Karnataka, where they've also made few posters and they are publishing it in the social media as well. On the other hand, two more accused has been arrested by the police in Haveri on this gang rape. Accused Shoaib and Sadiq has been arrested currently in Haveri on this gang rape incident, where BJP is alleging Congress is bribing the victim to hush up this case, this gang rape case, and also trying to close this by giving a compensation, where the victim on the other hand, she is fighting for her justice for what has happened in this terrifying incident, where we also see that BJP this issue is completely getting political now, where BJP is alleging Congress and the Congress is alleging BJP, where I can also tell you that when Siddaramaiah came into power for the second time, he also makes sure that he has given a statement that no more moral policing will take place. But where we see over here in a week, three cases of moral policing has come to light, where gang rape also has been come to light, and now that BJP is taking up campaigns and making sure that no safety for women in Karnataka. And today the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah will also be visiting Hubli as well as Haveri, and most likely to meet the victim in Haveri. Over to you.
Right, Toya. So Chief Minister to visit Haveri today, most likely to meet the victim. However, opposition alleging hush-up attempt by the government. Thank you for the details. With that, we'll strip in a short break. More updates on the other side.